Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one-eyed Great Dane, back with day 180 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we got.
Epic!
Let's go to the market. 100 power points. 1, 2,
Rare.
rare. 50 points.
Super rare.
Super rare. 200 XP doublers. No one has responded to the request on whether or not I should save Star Drops till the end of the season, which may seem like a long time, but that's only because we're used to waiting 80 days, but it's now like a third of that, so it shouldn't be that long. No one else asked me to, I'm probably just gonna wait anyway. So for the daily freebie, we have 5 credits, and for the other daily freebie, we have 60 XP doublers. For the as of today, I have 4,540 XP doublers and 17,061 power points. One thing I was wondering is, since I purchased the Brawl Pass Plus around 9 tiers, it set me up to around 19. Do you get 10 tiers no matter what tier you're at? And I still need to figure out how high the XP requirement goes, because it would seem that you can get more value if you buy the pass towards the end of the Brawl Pass, because you'd still be getting 10 tiers when it costs more XP. I'm gonna have to look into that, but let me know what you guys think. I don't believe anything has changed. There's boss fight and 5v5 is in, but other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.